Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be doing French chrome design, and as you can see I'm outlining how high I want the French to fall on my client. So keep on watching. If you have any questions or concern about what's happening in the video, don't forget to do so in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell when I upload videos. You're the first to be notified, and don't forget to subscribe. Keep on watching. So first I outline where I want the French to fall. Now I'm filling in the gaps of that black gel polish of the French. So filling in the French gaps now before we cure for a minute, and then we add our chrome. Yes, so now we're adding our chrome, and it's green chrome. It is so pretty. I enjoyed it doing this set. She loved it. So comment below what you think about this chrome color, and if you like this color, please do a chrome heart in the comments below to show your appreciation for this beautiful color. I am so in love with it. It was great, marvelous, and everything was nice. So keep on watching, guys. So we're cleaning off the excess glitter from the chrome, and then we're going to apply our top coat to seal that in. So pretty. So the top coat I'm using is from Ideal Beauty. Yeah, it's quite shiny, their top coat. So you know we're at the end of the video now, right guys? So once I'm applying top coat, we're going to cure and show you the finished look of this beautiful French chrome design. Came out lovely. She enjoyed it, and it was actually a fill we were doing. So I did the fill before we started this design, but everything turned out well, and it was great doing this set. So thanks guys for watching, and I hope that you hit that bell, also hit the subscribe button, and comment below what you think about this set, and if you have tried it before, let me know how it turned out for you. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.